In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment method on Udemy. By the end, you'll know exactly how to choose a course, pick a payment option, and complete your purchase smoothly and securely. First, open Udemy in your browser or the app and browse for a course you want to buy. When you find the right one, open its course page to check the overview, preview videos, and reviews so you're confident about your choice. Once you're ready to move forward, you have two ways to proceed. Click Buy Now to go straight to checkout, or, if you've added multiple courses to your cart, head to Checkout from your cart. Either way, you'll arrive at the payment screen. On the payment screen, select the payment type that suits you best. You can pay with a credit or debit card, including major providers like Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. If PayPal is supported in your country and for your currency, you'll see it as an option as well. If you don't see PayPal, it simply means it isn't available for this purchase in your region, so choose a card instead. Next, enter your payment details. For cards, carefully type the card number, expiration date, security code, and the name on the card. You may also be asked for a billing zip or postal code. Make sure everything matches your card and billing address exactly to avoid declines. If you choose PayPal, you'll be redirected to the secure PayPal site to log in and confirm payment. After you approve it, you'll automatically return to Udemy to finish up. If you want Udemy to remember your card for faster checkout next time, tick the option to save your card before you complete your purchase. This is entirely optional. If you're on a shared or public device, it's safer to leave this unchecked. You can manage saved payment methods later in your account settings if you change your mind. Before finalizing, take a moment to review the details on the checkout page. Confirm the course title and price, verify your selected payment method, and double-check your billing information. When everything looks correct, click Complete Checkout. Udemy will process your payment and show a confirmation. Your course will be added to your account right away, so you can start learning immediately. If your payment doesn't go through, recheck your card number, expiration, and security code. Ensure there are available funds, or try a different method. For security, make sure you're on a trusted network and look for the secure connection indicator in your browser. That's it. Simple, safe, and quick. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new course.